Hey guys, it's Todd Wilson with HMC Industries, and today we're exhibiting at the Iowa Power Farming Show. The Iowa Power Farming Show is the third largest indoor farm show in the United States, and it's held at the Wells Fargo Event Center and the Iowa Event Center here in Des Moines, Iowa, which is really nice for HMC because Marshalltown, Iowa is literally just 1 hour from Des Moines, and yours truly lives in Bondurant, which is about a 20-minute drive, so I really like that. Here at the farm show, we are exhibiting the SWT 3070 welding table. I'm going to show that to you right here. This is 30 inches wide, it's 70 inches long. This table is a 1/4 inch steel top with 5/8 holes, and you can see where they're spaced. We have a 3/4 inch clearance anywhere on those holes. Now this table, it still operates on what you know as HMC's power lift system, our frame and cylinder, which is rated for 1,200 pounds. That's right, that's the best lifting system in America, rated at 1,200 pounds. And what we always say at HMC is cylinders trump airbags all day long. Never buy a lift that's an airbag, always buy a cylinder. Steel over rubber, how can you go wrong? We're also showing our HMC GC30G diesel fuel caddy. Hey, this fuel caddy has a bidirectional pump on it so that you can reclaim fuel and you can pump out of the tank. So if you want to fill anything like a kerosene heater over here that these guys have, or a diesel heater, you can use the HMC GC30G fuel caddy and store that fuel safely. Quit using gas cans, guys. Gas cans are flat out dangerous. That's how you spill fuel, you get burned. It happened to my grandfather back in the middle 80s, and that's why I'm building this product, because I don't want to see anybody else get burned handling fuel. So use HMC's fuel caddies, because that's the only way to fill product in the winter. If you're filling your farm garage, your equipment shop, anything like that, if you're using kerosene, diesel, or gasoline, you don't use gas cans, guys. That's old technology. Get yourself a fuel caddy like a GC30R, a 20R, a 20-gallon diesel. That's the way to go. Hey, come on out to the Iowa Power Farming Show. This is going to be a great day. I know it's cold outside. I'm hoping to see all our friends and all our future and past customers, and looking forward to seeing you guys. Out.